Trigonometry 3 chapters. I have told Krishna, he said that okay, now listen. So we are doing which chapter? Solids. Solids is now solids will be completed today. Then what is the next chapter? Rectangular figures. Rectangular figures. Then area theorems.
And coordinate zone.
Okay. You should find something.
I mean, the one.
Solid will be over, means which are the left out?
Fourth, rectangular figures, area theorem, circle, coordinate zone.
So we will rectangular figure also it will take big chapter. So halfway I will stop and the remaining I will do the later. Otherwise it will not finish anything. Okay, first you will do the solids part. Practice, there are 12-13 chapters are there now? Out 11. 8 chapters we are done now, I think. Yeah. Coordinate geometry, I think it's easy chapter.
Yes.
Done it in the school.
Yes.
Which is not done in the school? Only area theorem.
Geometry.
Geometry is completed. Achha, your school coordinate geometry done. Okay, now let's quickly do it. Exercise 21.1 we are done.
Yes.
21.2 we one question. First question we did now that that we were on staircase or something. Okay. All of you signed the attendance sheet? Yes. Okay. 21.2 second question. Array where volumes abroad all of you? Yes, finally your abroad volume. Finally. You all of you got it now?
Yes.
Yes. What of you read the question? Abhijit, read the second question.
A swimming pool is 40 meters long and 50 meters wide. Its shallow and deep tanks are 1.5 meters and 3 meters deep respectively. The bottom of the pool slopes uniformly. Find the amount of water in liters required to fill.
So, swimming pool, I think once last class basically I explained now. There are 4 walls are there. This is a shallow side. What is the shape of this wall? Rectangle. Deep side, rectangle. This side, trapezium. This side is trapezium. So, what will be the area of the cross section? Trapezium. Cross section, because you know when you go this way, the height will be changing now. Whereas this way, the height will remain same now. Therefore, this space, these 2 sides are equal, means that is the cross section. Okay. So here, what are you write here? Cross section is a trapezium. Here, cross section is a trapezium. Written?
Yes.
Sides are given. Whose sides are? What is the distance? A cross section is a trapezium. Where? Parallel sides.
1.5.
Parallel sides are 1.5 meter and 3 meter. Distance between parallel sides is how much?
40
Distance 40 meter, that's the length. Okay. Therefore, area is equal to area of trapezium, you know. Half times A plus B times into distance height. Half into 1.5 plus 3 times 40. Hope all of you are following. Area of the trapezium. Okay. That is half 40 in this one is 20. 4.5 into 20. How much?
90.
90 meter square. This is the area of the cross section. Okay. Now, written area of the cross section is this one.
Yes.
Then length will be considered as what? Is equal to width of the pool. Width of pool. What is the width of the pool? 15 meter. Therefore, volume is equal to area of cross section multiplied by length. That is 90 into 15. Hope you are following. How much? 1350 meter cube. Are you followed? This trapezium length is considered this one. Okay, not this one. Parallel to this one, no. This is width is considered the length, area of the cross section. Volume of the uniform solid is equal to area of the cross section into length. The cross section is trapezium means its length of that cross section part, it is width of that cone. This way is not. Okay. So now your question answer should be in liters. How will you convert this into liters? Last class I gave you knowledge. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. So 1350 into 1000 liters. So 135. How many zeros? 4 zeros liters. How much? 13,50,000 liters. Water liquid. Okay. A cross section, that cross section figure if you need, you can keep it draw over here and keep it. One 1.5, 3, and 40. Okay. Hope all of you followed.
Yes.
Okay, that was a question number 2. Okay. Next, snail.
Cross section of a tunnel perpendicular to step is in the trapezium ABCD as shown in the following figures. Also given that AM is equal to BF, AB is equal to 7 meter, CD is equal to 5 meter. The height of the tunnel is 2.4 meter. The tunnel is 40 meter long. Calculate the cost of painting. Surface of the tunnel is 2 meter surface at the rate of is 5 per meter square.
Excluding the tunnel, excluding surface, excluding flow. Excluding the flow. You said something else. Okay. At the rate of 5 meter per second square. Okay, then.
The cost of paving the floor at the rate of 80 per meter square.
Have you followed what is a tunnel? Not seen the tunnel?
I've seen.
When you look, tunnel means it is a uniform one. When you look, whatever, when you travel by bus and all, tunnels are there, a lot of tunnels are there, no? Train tunnels are there. Somewhere you see this way the tunnel. That is the term tunnel means this is the cross section. Entrance is the cross section. Here, entrance is the cross section means this is the cross section. That means you will be going inside means there is one wall this way, top is there. This way there is one slanting wall is there, is another slanting wall is there, floor is this one. Are you followed or not? Okay. Understood or not? When you look at the tunnel, face of the tunnel is called the cross section. Now, over here, what are these lengths? A. What is it? A, B, C, D? And M and N. Now, what all values are going to tell?
AB equals to 7.
AB is equal to 7 meter. Okay.
CD is equal to
5 meter. Then
AM is equal to B.
AM is equal to BN. Both are, so this will be 5 because perpendicular now.
Yes.
Therefore, this is 1 and 1. Then only 7 will come.
So the height of the tunnel is 2.4.
Which is the height of the tunnel over here?
DM.
DM 2.4. This also is 2.4. This much values are given. Are you followed or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Now that will come. Now we have to, for how many faces to be painting? No. What is it?
Cost of painting.
Painting. How many surfaces to be painted?
4.
Tunnel contains how many faces are there? 3 plus 1 more, no? Wall,
Yes,
floor
but
also, no?
same place.
How many bases to be painted? 3. This part to be painted, this part to be painted, this part to be painted. This is a rectangle, this is another rectangle, this is another rectangle. You can take the length perimeter of the cross section to be painted. Means AD plus ED plus BC. You don't need to paint this one, no? Multiplied by into length. Or this into length, plus this into length, plus this into length. That is saying what the ways you can use. Are you followed? Suppose if I want to paint this wall, is the rectangle now? Find this one, multiplied by this. I need to paint this wall. How do you find out? This multiplied by this. This wall. What did you do? Find this length and multiply by this length. Instead of, so all the lengths are same now. I can take this plus this plus this and all multiplied by the length. That is same as AD plus CD plus AB multiplied by length. Are you following or not? Sure. So area to be painted is same as perimeter of the cross section. What is the perimeter of the cross section to be painted? AD plus CD plus BC. For that one, you have CD. Do you have AD?
No.
How will you get AD?
Pythagoras.
Pythagoras. If you get AD and BC will be the same thing only now. And after that, length is there. Okay. Not that you think and do it. The two ways you can do, find the area of this wall, area of this wall, area of this wall. And or directly perimeter of the cross section multiplied by the length of the color. Okay. So figure is drawn. Okay. Now, below right, these all values you have to mark in the form.
Yeah.
Right. Mn is equal to CD is equal to 5 meter. AM is equal to BN is equal to 7 minus 5 divided by 2 is equal to 1 meter. Have you followed? Why did I write? Total is 7. From here, this is removed. 5 is removed. Remaining, these are equal. Okay. This page is written DM is equal to CN is equal to 2.4 meter. In triangle AMD, we'll apply Pythagoras theorem. Only AD square is equal to AM square plus DM square. 1 square plus 2.4 square. How much?
5.
2.4, 24 square, you know. 576.
5.76.
5 for 1 plus 5.76. How much? 6.76. Do you know what is the square root of 6.76?
20.
2.6. 26. That is 2. AD is equal to 2.6. Squares, please learn till 30, then it will be easy. Okay. Therefore, BC also is equal to how much? 2.6 meter. Okay. Followed. Because AD, or if you write AD is equal to BC. Okay. Next, perimeter of cross section to be painted is equal to AD plus CD plus BC. That is 2.6 plus 5 plus 2.6. How much? 10.2 meter, na? 26 plus 26, 52, na? 10.2 meter. Okay. Therefore, area of walls or what is the question according to the right area of the surface to be painted is equal to perimeter multiplied by length, that is 10.2 length of tunnel. What is 10.2 into how much?
2.2.
2 point. Length of the tunnel is 2.4.
40.
How much?
400.
Huh?
40.
408 no. Decimal 408. 408 meters square. Isn't it? 102 into 4 no. Now cost per meter square is given as how much? No. Cost per meter square is equal to how many rupees? 5. Therefore, cost of painting, total cost of painting is equal to 408 multiplied by 5. How much? 440 rupees. Calculations little be fast. Hope you all followed. Problem is that tell me, I'll explain again. The flooring we have to do now. What will be the area of the floor? What is the breadth of the floor? In this figure, what is the breadth of the floor? Wrong. What is the breadth? What is this figure? What is the breadth of the floor?
7 meters.
7 meters. What is its length? 40. Therefore, area of the floor 40 into 7. So right, breadth of floor or width of floor is equal to 7 meter. Length is equal to 40 meter. Area of floor is equal to 7 into 40. 280 meters square. Cost per meter square. Just given now 18 rupees. Therefore, total cost of flooring, what is it? Total cost of what? The question you read that right accordingly. Total cost of paving.
5040.
That is equal to rupees 5040. Hope all of you are following.
Yes.
Comparatively easy one. Yes, no. Okay. Next. Question number, that is question number which one? 3. Fourth one. Now fourth one, no? Can we read the question?
A hose pipe of cross section area 2 centimeters square delivers 1500 liters of water in 5 minutes. What is the speed of water in meter per second through the pipe?
Hose pipe. You know what is by hose pipe now? The watering pipe. Okay. Area of the cross section is given as how much? 2 centimeters square. Okay. It delivers 1500 liters of water in 5 minutes. What is the meaning of 1500 liters of water in 5 minutes?
That much water.
That means what? Volume of the water discharged or in 5 minutes is equal to 1500 liters. How we convert liters to centimeter cube?
Divided by 1,000.
1 liter is 1000 cc now.
Yes.
So multiplied by 1000. That means 16 now. Okay. That is in 5 minutes. Then we need length in 1 second now. So in 1 minute means divide by 6. 5 minutes is this much. In 1 minute means divide by 5. In 1 second means divide by 60. Okay. So right, volume of water discharged in 5 minutes. Volume of water discharged in 5 minutes. Hope all of you are following is equal to volume of water discharged in 5 minutes. How much?
1,500 liters.
1500 liters. 1500 liters, no? Oh, he said 1,000.
You said 4,000.
Therefore,
1,500.
he said
1,500.
volume in 1 minute is equal to 1500 divided by 5. Volume in 1 second is equal to 1500 divided by 5 into 60. That much liters. Cancel, multiply 1500 into 1000 divided by 5 into 60. That means centimeter cube. Lit.
5 centimeters.
Cancel
5,000.
5000 centimeter. This much water discharged by the pipe in 1 second. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Say 300 cancel. 3 paisa. Yes or no? Got this much? Now, what is the area of cross section? Cross section is equal to 2 centimeters square. Therefore, volume is equal to area of cross section multiplied by length. So we have 5000 is equal to 2 into length. Therefore, what is length? 5000 divided by 2, 2500 centimeter. Yes or no? Your answer in meter per second needed now. This is equal to how much? 25 meter. What is this length? L means length of water discharged in 1 second. So right, therefore, length of water discharged in 1 second. Length of water discharged in 1 second is equal to 25 meter. So therefore, what is the speed? What is speed? Same now. What is the meaning? A car is at the speed of 60 km per hour. What is the meaning?
25 meters per second.
What a car is traveling at the speed of 60 km per hour. What means? What is the meaning? In 1 hour, it travels 60. So here it is. One length of water discharge in 1 second is 25 meter. Means speed is equal to 25 meter per second. So return speed is equal to 25 meter per second. Speed is equal to speed. That is the final answer. Hope all of you followed.
Yes.
Okay. Hope you have followed. Janvi, are you following? Ask your friend, followed or not? Okay. Sachi, all okay? Are you following? Ranveer, followed. Arnav, read the next question.
A rectangular water tank measuring 80 centimeter into 60 centimeter to 60 centimeter is built from a pipe of cross-sectional area 1.1 centimeter square. The water emerging at 33.2 meter per second. How long does it take to fill the tank?
Are you followed? This is a water tank. What is the shape of the water tank?
Rectangular.
Rectangular. Rectangular water tank means what? Cuboid. Okay. Then what is done? It is filled by air. Water tank is filled by air. Pipe. Water filled by air. Water. Filled by a pipe, na? Okay.
Filled by water.
Filled by what? Okay. Achha, water is filled through a pipe. Okay. Through a pipe. What is the pipe conditions are given? Cross section is given. What is the area of the cross section? 1.5 centimeters. Then what is this 3 meter? 3.2 meter per second. Speed of what? Speed means what? Length of water in 1 second will be equal to 3.2 meter. Check everything is in unit or not?
No.
You have to, most of them are in centimeter now. So you have to convert everything into centimeter. So first we take with the volt for the tank, right? For the tank. LPH, L is equal to how much? 80 centimeter. B is equal to how much? 60 centimeter. H is equal to 50 centimeter. 60, both are 60. Okay, volume. LBH equal to 80 into 60 into 60 centimeter cube. It's not necessary to multiply, just leave as it is. This is the volume of the water in the tank. Okay, next. Column test condition. For the pipe, what is given? Area of cross section. How much?
1.5 centimeters.
1.5 centimeters. Speed. How much? 3 meter per second. 3.2 meter per second. Therefore, length in 1 second is equal to 3.2 meter, which is equal to how much? 320 centimeter. This is the length of water discharge in 1 second. Length means length of the. Therefore, volume of water discharge or transferred in 1 second is equal to area multiplied by length. 3.2 multiplied by 320 centimeter cube. That is the second condition. No need to multiply, just keep as it is. Because we are going to divide. Do you know how to take time taken? How will you find out time taken? Anyone? How will you? You are filling the tank. Total volume divided by volume discharged in 1 second. Unitary format. Are you following or not? Total volume, right? Time taken is equal to volume of tank. That is the total. Divided by volume of water discharged in 1 second. You will get that many seconds. What is the volume of the tank? 80 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60 divided by 3.2 into 320. That is even 32 into 32, no? Decimal corner 80 into 60 divided by 32 into 32. This makes seconds. Should I get? Got it? Cancel. A simple calculation you do not do this. No, this much time she, you multiplied
No, no.
16 into 5, 16 into 2, 15 into 4. Decimal made 5 into 15 into 15 divided by 4.
4.
Yes or no? Area of cross section was mentioned. One mistake we made, nobody noticed. You have to, all of you have to cross. That mistake is made. This is not. Have you seen one mistake? That is why you struggle to cancel. Anyone? It is not 3.2. This is area is 1.5. Area of cross section is 1.5. Nobody noticed. So you have to redo. 1.5 into 320. That is 80 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60. Nobody noticed how. That's okay. Now it's can. Huh?
600.
600 seconds. That is
6.
divided by 60. 10 minutes. 600 seconds. All of you got?
Yes.
I also did not notice. It was area of the cross section was 1.5, not 3.2. Done.
Yes.
After every sum. The water will go, then what did you do? Every sum you have to. Yes, Neil. Manasvi, are you following? Okay, Manasvi, read the next question.
A swimming pool is 18 meter long and 8 meter wide. Its deep and shallow ends are 2 meter and 1.2 meter respectively. Find the capacity of the pool, assuming that the bottom of the pool slopes uniformly.
That's same as the question number 2 now. Do I need to do? Same now. Yes or no? Just now we did no swimming pool. Question number trapezium area of the cross section. Okay. All of you can do or no? That yes, what is it telling? Huh?
She's asking them. So
You want to switch on the AC. At least those who don't need the AC come sit this side now. And the job, then the room will become hot. Sit this side. Okay, so that we can, I will put it in the board. Last one is that I don't know swimming. You.
No.
Okay. Question number 7. 6 story same now. Okay. We will give after question number 7. Yes, one of you read. All of you should read. One of you read, all of you read. Okay, Gauri is not read any question of the read.
The following figure shows a closed victory stand whose dimensions are given in centimeters. If the bottom of the stand is open and find its volume and total volume.
Victory stand, do you know what is a victory stand?
First sentence.
Okay, so you have to find out the correct answer. Okay. We have to find out the volume and surface area.
Total.
Oh,
Thank you.
okay. So, how do you find the volume? You know how to find the area of the cross section? How do you find what is the length of the stand? If you look at
60.
60 meter,
90 meter.
60, 90, 60.
30, 60, 60 plus 30, 90.
All of you, look here. Your 60 is wrong, your 90 is wrong, your 100 is wrong, everything is 70 also.
70.
Victory stand is uniform which way? You look here, when you see this space, there is a top is the first position, second position, third position. Yes or no?
Yes.
The length means this way you have to take. This way it is not. So, okay, this is not the length you have to take. Back side. Okay, length is 30 or 40. 40 meter now. Have you seen? Hari, look at the figure. What is the length? Shh. Length is what? 40 meter. Okay. Now, how will you find the area of the cross section?
area.
Huh? Area and length. What? How will you get the area of the cross section?
We'll divide.
You will divide. What?
So,
20? So there are three rectangles now.
Ah.
20 into 30 plus,
40.
is it height is 40 odd?
1 square.
30 plus
30.
50 into 50 or 60? Acha, 60 into 30 plus. No, what are you thinking? This is third position. Okay, stop talking. This is the first position. This is the face, a cross section face. Yes or no? What is this?
20.
What is this length?
20.
20. What is this one?
30.
30. What is this one?
30.
30. What is this one?
20. Nee, 30. 30.
30. What is this one?
30.
30. And what is this one?
What? 30.
30 no? Only this is 20 no? Now tell me what is this area of the rectangle?
20 to 30.
20 to 30. What is the area of the second rectangle? 60. See, this will be coming 60 to 30. What is this area of this rectangle? We can mark 1. This is 2. And this is 3. Okay. So right. This figure you make it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3 also make. Marking is done.
Yes.
Now right. Area of cross section. Area of cross section is equal to area of 1 plus area of 2 plus area of 3. Area of 1 is what? 60 into 30. Plus area of 2 is what? 30 into 30. Area of 3 is what? 20 into 30. Are you followed all of you?
Yes.
This length is 60 into 30. This is 30 into 30. This is 6 3s are 18.
1.
9, 6. How much?
3,300.
3,300
3
meters square. Yes or no?
Yes.
All meters now. 18 plus 9, 27 plus
centimeter.
centimeter.
Yes.
Centimeter now. So centimeter. Okay. Then length is equal to how much? 40 centimeter. Therefore, volume.
Into 3.
That what length means this way now. This is the face showing it towards the length. Therefore, volume is equal to area of cross section multiplied by its length. That is equal to how much? 3300 multiplied by 40. That means centimeter cube. That you can multiply yourself.
1, 3, 2.
But she is multiplying and ready-made answers are given to everyone. You said that. Centimeter cube. Any they asked any unit? No. Okay. Area of cross section into length now. That is the volume. This much all of you followed?
Yes.
Okay. Next part. What is the next? Total surface area. There is open at the bottom now. So how many faces you can see? How many faces?
5.
One face is this one.
8.
Its opposite side, back side also same face.
Yes.
Okay, then the top faces. Top faces means there is one rectangle here, one rectangle here, one rectangle over here, one rectangle, one rectangle, one rectangle, one rectangle. Yes or no? So we will find out the surface perimeter of the cross section. What will be the perimeter of the cross section? Which one? 20 plus 30. What will be this one?
40.
This is 40, no? Yes or no? How did you get this is 40? Because total. Plus 30, plus 30. This is not required. No, these are the parts not required. This I put dotted. This also is not required. What you need this one? Because of our bottom is not there, no? So what is the perimeter of the cross section? 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30. Multiplied by its length, that you will get surface area. Then this face is how much? Front face is 3,300 now. Back face also 3,300. Are you following or not?
Yes.
Are you followed? Look, when you stand, imagine you all of you seen the victory stand now.
Yes.
So when you see the front is this form now. If you look on the behind also same. So that area is this one behind. Then all the places you stand, that all rectangles you have to do. How do you get the rectangle? This all add and multiply. Otherwise you have to multiply this 20 into 40, 30 into 40, everything into 40. Instead of that one, perimeter of the cross section means excluding this one. Why we excluded this one? Because open at the top, open at the floor. So you don't need it. If it was not open, you have to add this also. Any idea? No, followed or not followed? Tell me. Followed. Therefore, so you will be getting the right perimeter of the cross section. Perimeter of cross section is equal to 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 30. 3.30 plus 30. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many 30s are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 150. 150 plus 660. 210 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, surface area is equal to perimeter multiplied by length. That is 210 multiplied by how much? 40. How much? 8400 centimeters square. For total surface area is equal to surface area plus 2 faces. Yes or no?
Yes.
That is 8400 plus 2 times already face you got. That is 3,300. This is a base. 66 and 84.
15,000.
15,000 centimeters square. You should be in a position to identify, imagine the figure. It's drawing the figures and all, sometimes it's difficult. And look, imagine and get the answer. It's not very complicated, but imagine. If that imagination has to be done. If you're not, because you know, these are solid drawing and doing it sometimes it's very difficult. Okay. Done? Yes. Chapter over. Yes or no? This chapter followed now?
Yes.
Okay, this is the chapter for solids. So your now left out is what? What is the next chapter to be done? Rectilinear figures. All of you know what is rectilinear figure. Chapter over now. And that swimming pool one you can do the same question as second one did. That is why I did not do. And please do the homework part and all, so that if your doubts or difficulties are there, please tell me. Have you taken the rectilinear figures? That is page number 1. I will give you 3 minutes for to read this one. Just go through, read. Which all ones? The first page 1 you have to read, page 2 you have to read, and regular polygon also read. That much read. Go to washroom. When did you come? This break time you can go now. Hello? This is breakout. 10 minutes are there, no? 15 minutes are there. When did you all come? That Why?
Yes.
Okay, do read. After that, I'll ask 3 minutes one by one. I'll ask. There are a lot of things I have to respond in polygon, regular polygon. Number of X. What is the polygon? Some of you are in second page. Just still in first page. Group what's the learning? Okay. First question. Book we can refer the book and tell also. What is a rectilinear figure?
A plain figure. A plain figure with line segments.
A plain figure with the line segments.
Whose boundaries are line.
Boundaries are line segments.
Plain figure whose boundaries are line segments.
Boundaries are line segments.
It may be closed or open.
It can be closed or open. Okay, what is a polygon?
So it has
At least 3 line segments. Closed plain figure.
Closed plane figure or closed rectilinear figure with 3 or more 3 sides. Is it or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Can you give an example of a rectilinear figure so far we studied?
Triangle.
Triangle. Okay, now stop reading. Circle is a rectilinear figure. Yes or no?
No.
No. Because why? So, what is the difference between Arnav? What is the difference between rectilinear figure and polygon?
Rectilinear figure is bounded by line segments and
Polygon.
polygon is bounded by 3 line segments.
Rectilinear figure is
Rectangular figures can be open.
open or closed. Whereas polygon is always closed with the 3 or more than 3 sides. What is it? Okay, you. Ranveer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Standard. What is the name of polygon of 3 sides?
Rectangle. Sorry, triangle. Triangle.
Polygon of 4 sides.
Quadrilateral.
Okay.
Quadrilateral.
What is the rectangle by the way? You will see on everything rectangle. Rectangle is a quadrilateral.
Yes,
Okay.
quadrilateral.
Okay. Polygon of 5 sides.
Pentagon.
Pentagon. 6 sides.
Hexagon.
Hexagon. 7 sides.
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
Hectagon.
Heptagon. 8 sides. Heptagon. 9 sides. Don't. Nanogon. 10 sides.
Hexagon.
Okay, that means 9 to remember. Okay. Sit down. What is the difference between a convex polygon and a concave polygon?
Convex polygon, or each angle is below 180 degree.
Convex polygon, each angle is below
180
less than 180 degree. And concave polygon,
Each angle is above.
each angle.
Any
At least one. Have you seen this figure anytime?
Yes.
What is this figure called? Anyone know?
Kite.
Kite. Who said this kite? You know, have you seen kite anytime? This is shape of the kite.
This type of the comes.
This is called arrowhead.
I'm telling.
Arrowhead.
Oh, how you would-
Value, this is called arrowhead. Head of the arrowhead. Okay. This is convex or concave? Concave. See, this angle is more than 180. At least one angle. Okay. Now, sit down. Okay. Polygon. We are talking about convex polygon. Okay. What do you mean by regular polygon?
So the polygon with all sides equal.
All sides are equal and all angles are equal. That is called what?
Regular polygon.
That which also follow. Okay. Now, next one. What is the name of the regular polygon with 3 sides?
Triangle. Sorry.
Equivalent.
What is the regular polygon with 4 sides? Square. All sides are equal, all angles are equal, square. What is the regular polygon with 5 sides? Regular pentagon. And regular polygon with 6 sides. Regular. Only 3 and 4 have specific names. Regular triangle, squares. All of them are regular. Regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular hexagon. Okay. Okay. Now, sum of the angles of a polygon.
Exterior angles versus below.
2 and 1.
2 and minus 4.
Right angles.
Right angle. What do you mean by right angle? So right chapter heading. What is it? Rectilinear figures. Rectilinear figures. Written? No. Below right. Sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles. Of interior angles of a polygon. Interior angles of a polygon is equal to 2n minus 4 times 90 degree. Two n minus 4 times 90 degree. Written sum of angles equal. What is n?
Number of sides.
Did you write where n is the number of sides? Written all of you?
Yes.
This can be also written as
2n minus 4.
2 and minus 4.
2n minus 4.
Two and
Take 2 as common. What will be left out?
And 1.
N minus
two.
n minus 2. That 2 multiplied by
90.
90. What is 2 multiplied by 90?
180.
Therefore, this can be also written as n minus 2 times 180. Also, you can. One of them you learn. Okay. Both are same thing. Either 2n minus 4 times 90 degree or n minus 2. Okay. Written. Now, a triangle, how many sides are there?
3.
Put n is equal to 3.
6 minus.
6 minus 4. 2 into 90, 180. Angle sum property. Hi, hello. Switching of listener. Keep it aside. Now, quadrilateral, how many sides?
4.
4 sides. Replace.
8 minus 4.
8 minus 4.
360.
Yes or no?
Yes.
For 90 4s are 360. You're writing all these. Pentagon, how will you find out? What is the value of n? 5. Replace 5 and don't need to show. I will ask. If it is n is equal to 5, what is the answer? Those who know, raise the hand. 3, 4, 5. So this much calculation. Akansha's hand is up or down? No. Your hand is up. Are n is equal to 5 substitute now? It's so difficult. Shh.
540.
540. How did you get? N into 5 now. 5 to the 6 into 90. 540. Are you followed or not? This one you wrote. Next property. You know what you mean by exterior angle? Do you know what you mean by exterior angle? When a side is produced, this is called exterior angle. Okay. Write the next property. Interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. Interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. Written?
Yes.
One more property. When the sides are produced, sides of a polygon are produced in order. When the sides of a polygon are produced in order, sum of the exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. Sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. Written?
Yes.
When the sides are produced in order, look here. This I produce, this is produced, this is produced. Sum of these three will be equal to 360 degree. Or for every polygon, okay? Understood or not? Okay, that is the condition. Okay, then we will discuss the remaining things that I will do with it.
Huh?